Take a trip, wherever the destination is. Funny things happens on journey. We're used to record them with camera, but this time, let's make a change. Potensic D80 selfie drone. It is so intelligent. GPS hovering and barometer set height. Easy. One key taking off or landing. Next, let's explore the possibilities of infinity. HD video recording and HD picture shooting. D80 captures your wonderful moments on journey. Stable and strong brushless motor provides strong flying power. 45 kilometers per hour high speed. Experience the pleasure of racing. You want this? Point of interest orbit, making your shooting more attractive. Follow me mode, making your drone your exclusive photographer. It will follow you wherever you go and record whatever inspires you. Under app custom route flight, D80 will fly according to your designed route. See more and feel more. D80 features long control distance, HD real-time transmission, providing a better flying experience. Headless mode function, simple operation, and easier flying. We yearn for nature and freedom, so we embark on an unknown journey. D80 allows you to imagine, to record, to explore, and find another way to live.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
So as you can see, the video quality of this drone is top-notch. You can't get anything better for under $300. Remember, if you do buy this, get the F24 Pro version because this has superior video quality. And it's only like 30 bucks more than the non-Pro version. All right, so let's start off with a quick overview of this drone. This drone is a foldable, portable drone. You can take this with you pretty much anywhere, just toss it into your backpack, or you can take this nice carry case that they give you along with you. I don't even do that. I just take it, I fold it up, I fold up the remote control, which folds up nice and small, and I pop it into my backpack and I take it with me. But you can fold this thing out anytime you see something interesting that you want to take a photo of, or if you want to take a video of it from a unique vantage point, such as 10 feet above you or 1,000 feet above you. You can do that with this drone. Some of the top features of this drone are that it takes 4K images and it takes 2.7K video, which is beautiful. In the video here, I downscale that to 1080p and it's perfect. Who needs to deal with like giant 4K files when you can simply just use the 2.7K and downsize it to 1080p? It's beautiful, as you guys have already seen. Okay, this drone has a robotic camera, which is essential for drones. If you're way up in the air and you want to know exactly what's below you, this camera will be able to look all the way down and then all the way in front of it and everywhere in between smoothly. That's a key feature that I recommend getting in every single drone you have. This drone has long life brushless motors, which ensure its quiet operation and longevity. The range of this drone is awesome. It flies 3,600 feet under the control of your remote control, and it will broadcast smooth video up to 1,800 feet to your smartphone. Quick note from Radar Cars, you want to make sure that you are registered. I am registered within the state of New York to fly drones, as long as you don't fly in any no-fly zones such as airports. Just be smart about it. But check your local authorities and make sure that you have a permit before you operate your drone. This drone has all of the usual awesome features that you would expect from a Contixo drone, such as follow me, such as gestures to take pictures. So if I put up a peace sign, it takes a picture. If I put up a waving hand, it starts taking a video. It's got orbit mode. It's got the GPS drop point, so you can tell it where to go on your map, and it will go along that route that you choose. All those awesome features, all jam-packed into a drone for under $300. The F24 Pro comes with this excellent carry case. I do recommend picking up an additional battery. They sell those on Amazon.com. There is a slot here that you can take out this foam. It's pre-slotted for an extra battery, which is a very nice touch. It also comes with tools that you need to install the included extra propellers that come with the drone. So as I said, this has an excellent range of 3,600 feet. If you go outside of that range, or if you get far away and the battery starts to get low, the drone is smart based on GPS satellites. It will come back to where it took off, and it will slowly and safely land. Pro tip. So you got to make sure that you're not launching around any trees or too close to any trees, because when this thing does come back, it's going to want to have a clear flight path. Guys, there is no excuse for everybody not to have one of these in your car or in your motorcycle or wherever. You don't need to pay $700, $800, or $1,000 for a drone. The video quality on this is beautiful. It has all of the things that I need. This is easy to operate. You just turn it on quickly. There's no need to recalibrate it. There's no need to calibrate this drone every single time that you fly it. All you have to do is put it down, make sure it's on a level surface, turn it on, and you are good to go within literally seconds. So guys, out of all the drones that I have recommended, this one is by far the best. Quite frankly, because it has the best video, it is the easiest to use, it's very durable. I can tell you that I've crashed this drone a couple of times already. I had a hard landing and it flipped over on its back. It automatically stopped spinning. That's a key, because some drones don't stop spinning and they'll just keep going like that. They'll grind the blades up, they'll cut your finger. This drone flipped over and automatically stopped. So it's another cool feature of this drone. Not even a scratch on it. So it is a very high quality build. Guys, I highly recommend this one. If you use my description below, I do have an exclusive discount coupon for you guys. If you use that and you use my link, the channel will get credit for that with my Amazon affiliates link, so that's appreciated. And these guys also have a 10% discount on Amazon.com right now, so recommend that you move quickly if you want to get one of these. Forget all the other drones that you've seen. You need this one. It is the F24 Pro. Get the Pro version. Highly recommend it. Look at these colors, the very best I've seen on any drone I've tried. So I've downsized this video to 1080p. Seriously, who needs 4K when the video quality is this good at 2.7? It is gorgeous. Look at the fine lines of the buildings. I shot this near the Hudson in New York. The autumn foliage just pops even though this is a relatively cloudy day. Check out the high resolution in the moving cars. By the way, it takes gorgeous photos too. This is the Hudson River in New York. Beautiful bridge here. Look at the God rays over there. Even though we're facing the brightness of the sun, the image quality is top notch. I took this video in White Plains, New York yesterday in high winds. The drone did just fine despite not having a gimbal. Look at the shininess of the buildings there. Quick shot of Bertha here. So gorgeous. Guys, this is the drone.